My name is Mike Yeoman, and I'm the founder of the Grooming Lounge. The idea for the Grooming Lounge came about really organically. I had grown up in the professional beauty business. My grandfather had started a beauty products distribution business about 90 years ago. After I graduated from college, I met up with a gentleman who was a barber. What we considered our beer-drinking, football-watching friends were always coming to us to get grooming products. We were kind of like drug dealers for grooming products. So we looked into the market. There was really nobody doing anything. This was about 1999. And we decided, wouldn't it be great if we could come up with destinations where guys could get solutions to all their grooming problems, whether it be online to go get a nose hair trimmer or a deodorant, or stores where guys could go get services, everything from a shave to a haircut to a manicure, all specifically focused on men and an environment where they really felt comfortable. And that's really where the Grooming Lounge idea came from. Before our wedding, my wife said to me, "Your hands are disgusting. You really need to go get a professional manicure." And I did not want to because of the same reason that we opened Grooming Lounge. I didn't want to because I didn't want to sit in the middle of a bunch of women and feel uncomfortable. But she asked me to, so I went and got a manicure. I was surrounded by 20 women, and I just sat there with my head down the entire time. And when I got home, I said to my wife, you know, this men's grooming thing could really have something, because I actually enjoyed the manicure, but I felt really self-conscious being surrounded by all these women. We want to not only provide the atmosphere where guys feel comfortable, but also provide the best services that you can imagine. The Grooming Lounge provides grooming services for men from head to toe. Haircuts, hot lather shaves, business manicures, foot treatments, which some people would call pedicures. We offer men's skincare treatments. We also offer massage therapy. We also provide shoe shine services in our stores. Getting a shave at the Grooming Lounge is really an experience. In addition to getting what we think is the best shave of your life, there's a series of hot towels, there's hot lather, there's a shave oil application, there's a freezing cold towel at the end. The grooming expert will tell you how they're shaving and how you can do the same at home. The men's grooming category has exploded. When we started, there were 2 or 3 so-called men's spas or upscale barbershops. Now there's dozens and dozens of them. And in terms of product lines, there might have been 10 or so men's specific product lines when we started, and now you can't even count how many there are. Men have evolved a ton even over the 10 plus years we've been in business. How did you hear about us?
My wife got me a gift certificate.
Okay.
Learned a lot, learned a little shaving techniques too, which was helpful. So,
okay. That's good.
All in all, it's been fantastic.
Early on when we opened, a guy came in, his head was down, he looked real embarrassed. He came in and kind of pushed his gift card up to the front desk. I looked at it and it said it was for a business manicure, a foot treatment, and a shave. And immediately upon kind of handing that to me, he said, "Oh, my wife got this for me. This isn't something I normally do. This isn't my thing." So we said, okay, and we sat him down, we got him something to drink, and he went back with the nail expert, got all his services, got the shave. And when he checked out, he was smiling from ear to ear and said to me, "That was the greatest thing ever." He has a whole nother idea of what men's grooming is. He thinks it's going to be this frou-frou women's salon where they're serving appletini and there are flowers everywhere. But when you come in, it's a place tailored to guys. And so that's really kind of the perfect story for how some men get into grooming. They're kind of just sheepishly coming in, and when they're leaving, they're saying, "That was amazing. I love that." Thanks so much for taking the time to find out more about the Grooming Lounge. We really appreciate it.